Hey guys, my name is Alisa Munoz and I am a 28-year-old living on the Central Coast of California. I don't really do intros like that, but I'm going to start doing that with almost every video that I do because I just feel like a lot of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So, you know, they got to get to know who I am. Today we're going to Bible study. I wanted to bring you guys along. Oh, I gotta go. It starts in 15 minutes and it's on the other side of town. And I am going to be definitely late.
But I'm well on my way reaching out for Christ, who has so wondrously reached out for me. Friends, don't get me wrong. By no means do I count myself an expert in all of this, but I've got my eye on the goal, where God is beckoning us onward to Jesus. I'm off and running, and I'm not turning back.
It's been a few days later, but today is Friday. I had an amazing time at Bible study the other day. I don't know, it just was so powerful. It was about forgiveness. It was just amazing to be around women my age, and I just was reflecting on that the whole night, just looking around and being like, wow, like God brought these people into my life so that I could be here today. You know, it was crazy. But anyways, at Bible study we did a journal making, and this is my journal. So I thought that today I would grab some lunch and go to a park, write a letter to God about 2023, and then write a letter to God about 2024. And so that is what I'm going to be doing today. Look how small this thing is. I spent $6 on this thing, thinking that it would probably be like maybe like that big, but no, it's like literally the size of my palm. Like, what the heck? It's so tiny. Anyways. Didn't realize that it I was trying to get to it. I'm like, why isn't it going through? Oh my gosh, I'm crazy. Okay, back to what I'm doing now. Dear God, I'm giving you thanks for all the things that I've learned in 2023. This year, I have learned that I am not alone. I have an amazing, loving family around me and a new church community. I have learned not to care what other people think of me and be confident in myself because I know that I am fearfully, wonderfully made by you. Thank you for this amazing year. I can't wait to see what 2024 brings. Hello there. It is now, Diego says hello too. It is now New Year's Eve, which means I get to make pasta, finally, because I've always wanted to make pasta. Okay, and then my dad, for Christmas, got me a pasta maker, like it attaches to my KitchenAid. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use it. One of the things that I want to change this year, because I know this video is all about changing and the things that I want to change in 2024, I really want to cook things from scratch, meaning like I want to make bread, I want to make pasta, I just want to make all those things. I told Diego one day we will be able to have a farm with all the animals that we want, maybe not all of them that we want, but no, majority of the animals that we want, and to live off the land. I want to have a farm, I want to have a garden, I want to be able to like make my own flour. I just want to like not buy so many things from the store, because I just feel like there's so many things that are added to our food in the supermarket because it needs to stay fresh for as long as possible. Enough of my rant. That is my change for 2024. I'm slowly gonna start implementing scratch food into our diet. Okay, let the pasta making commence.
Are you gonna put music over the video?
No.
You don't wanna put like music in the background?
No, I don't do that anymore. Unless I'm making like a specific, like I like when it has like the raw audio. Sometimes, like if I'm doing like a B-roll shot where I'm like, I don't know, at Disneyland and I'm filming different shots of like Disneyland or whatever, then I'll do music.
Yeah.
But if I'm just like sitting still, I like hearing like the natural sound of like what's going on. You know?
That makes sense, Bear.
Half a teaspoon of salt. I'm doing it, Bear. I'm doing it. I'm making pasta. Hey, Bear. Can you do me a favor and turn off the camera?
Why?
Because my hands are so messy, I can't do it.
Yeah.
Just, yeah, hit the red button. I made pasta. I didn't show you guys because it honestly was a process that I had to like just focus on. But next time when I do it, I'll definitely show you guys. I'm not an expert, so I'm not going to give like details. Oh, I have flour all over myself. I'm not going to give details on like how I'm doing it. I'm just going to show you like what it looks like to do it in the machine. This looks so good. It's all cooked already. And it looks just delicious. And then we got some chicken parmesan. And I'm going to serve it up. And then we got the cute little table. And we're going to have a nice fancy dinner, huh, Beer?
Yeah. You heard?